Hi guys, Whitney from WSS Equestrian. Welcome to my video on how to clean your horse float out after every time you use it. After you go somewhere, a competition, a lesson, you're picking up a horse, you're selling horse, dropping off, whatever it may be. This is my run through on cleaning out your horse float so that it is in nice, smick and neat and tidy, clean condition for the next time you use it. So what do? I have my hose, my trusty hose, I have my shovel, then I have my broom and my detergent to scrub this out after I use the shovel to pick out the shit. So for starters, I'm just going to pick out the shit now, take it away. Don't take out the horse shit and drop it on the side on the ground, the grass. No, be neat and tidy, have standards, have class. We have at my adjustment centre where I have my horses, we've got a tree next to the wash bay that all the manure just gets put under, or we've got like a designated horse manure pile area. It's either that one or that one, but because I park here for the water, so I need the water to clean it out, because I never ever not hose my horse float out. I always pick up the shit, hose it out, scrub it out with detergent and let it dry. Bada bing bada boom, I look after the condition of my float. So I'm just going to remove this now. Alright, now that I have picked up all the horse shit out of the float, I'm going to pull the mats out, but I'll just move the camera for me to do that, and then I will be able to start going scrubbing. Alright, now I've got me broom and me pop top with Macca's soap. There's a story behind that, but we won't go into details. So this is just leftover soap I'm going to use. I'm going to wet these down and hose out and scrub out, and yeah, this is just how I do it, guys. So yeah. Alright guys, there we have it. Clean horse float. Now I will go park this. We do have rain coming, so you would let it dry, leave windows and rooftop vents open on dry weather, but it's gonna rain, so it's just gonna all get locked up just so it doesn't get any more wet, and it'll eventually dry out slowly. But yeah, this is my routine, guys. Pick up the shit, hose it out, then I'd scrub it with some sort of soap, detergent's so much easier. I've got that old soap. I just run out of detergent that I used to have in the kitchenette in the front of my float, but put that on my shopping list for my next shopping visit to grab some. But yeah, this is it, guys. And then, like, it's taken me 20 minutes. I have a bigger float, and these mats are big and heavy, and it's a bit of cleaning, but you know, in the long run, for the maintenance of your float, it's really important that you hose out the piss and the shit manure out of the float so it doesn't rot away the floor and whatnot of your horse float, because touch wood, let's hope no one ever has to go through a horse going through the floor of their horse float because they've not maintained their float, not cleaned it out properly, and has created it to rot and so forth. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope this was entertaining to say the least, but yeah, if you like a nice cleaning video, this was it. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Good luck with all your show horse preparation. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!